You're watching this week's latest products in video form. First off, we've got this WE outer barrel gas block set. Made by TSC, this metal piece comes in silver or black. Next up, we've got this trigger guard from Magpul. It guards your trigger. This polymer MOE trigger guard has a V shape, which allows chubby-handed people to use their guns even when you've got gloves on. And here we have the G&P 2x Magnifier. It functions as a screw-on for all 30mm red dot sights. And here we have the UBR stocks from Magpul in OD and black. This stock is extremely solid and fully extendable with 7 positions. It also features a cute little cubby hole for storing things like snacks and perhaps prophylactics for later. Because our marketing team have a combined age of 15, they've arranged it into a nice pyramid shape. So the shooter's design slides and Magwells, and they're all CNC machined. Why? Because it sounds good. King Arms have got some new products out. It may look like a pizza, but it's not. In fact, they've got a bunch of AK-47 kits. Unfortunately, there's no cheese filling option. And yes, we've got some new products from Pantac. Bloody huge bag. In fact, I could probably fit in it myself. There you go. Also from Pantac is this forward deployment backpack, which could probably fit a small Albanian family inside. And here we see Jim Bob's tried to play Solid Snake, but failed miserably. Moving on to the guns, we've got the AGM M4. This full metal gas blowback Armalite is amazing bang for your buck. Even though it hasn't got authentic markings, it's got all you ever need in an Airsoft GBB M4. It fires on top gas only, which means top fun. Next up is a gun we've all been waiting for. It's the Ares TAR-21. It features fully licensed TAVOR markings, as you can see. It features a fully functional bolt lock, which also serves as a spring release. And it also features a Mars sight. Hang on a minute, this isn't the right one, is it? The Ares TAVOR is actually quite an accurate gun. So to test the accuracy, we've got our very own sharpshooter. Some say his anus is actually his mouth. Some say we're actually ripping off Top Gear. It's the Walt. For your own safety, we've had to cover up his eyes, because this guy has got enough power in these babies to rip off your head and defecate down your neck. Here we go. So there we have it. Not bad groupings considering the sights are at 0 and the hops at 0. And he's using Mars bar sight to aim, and he can't see jack out of these. So there we have it. For these products and more, www.RedWolfAirsoft.com. We were just messing with you. This is in fact the real Mars sight that comes with the Ares TAVOR.